Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everyone can mention you in their videos on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile, click on this three lines here, click settings and privacy. Now click privacy. Now click mentions and tags, and here you will find mentions. Click on it, and now just click everyone, and you're gonna make everyone can mention you in their description, stickers, comments, and stories. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.